Hey guys, this is Peter from AB McDonald Elementary. This is the All About Barn Owls worksheet. If you haven't already, pause the video and read the passage on the top of the page. Number 1. Which of these animals would a barn owl most likely eat? Chipmunk, worm, fish, or hummingbird? Let's look back in the passage to see what it says. Barn owls eat mostly small mammals. They like to eat rats, mice, and other rodents. Sometimes they eat birds, insects, and even frogs. Which one do you think the barn owl would most likely eat? What time of day would you most often find a barn owl active? Again, let's go back to the passage. Barn owls are nocturnal. They like to hunt at night. What time of day would you most often find a barn owl active? In the morning, in the early afternoon, at sunset, or in the evening? What do barn owls look like? Their faces are white and heart-shaped. Their chests have small brown spots. Their backs are brown with black and white spots. They have sharp talons to catch prey.